As a result of the alarmingly rapid rise in crime rates over the past few years, it should come as no surprise that you will eventually become a victim of some of its effects. With these 10 tools, you will always be well equipped to defend yourself against criminals. Let's begin the video. Number 1. Streetwise Triple Sting Ring. The new Streetwise Triple Sting Ring 28mm Volt stun gun is a self-defense stun weapon that offers safety and confidence close at hand. Its small body contains 28 million volts of fierce power that makes it the ultimate concealable security weapon. The advanced squeeze and stun technology will let you use it with a simple squeeze, and with 3 striking points, you can disable attackers with ease. It also has a built-in rechargeable battery and an included USB charging cord for recharging in standard wall outlets. The stun gun has a lifetime manufacturer's warranty with instructions included and also has an on or off safety switch on the bottom of the device to even protect yourself from accidental discharges. Number 2. Black Belt Knife. Sleek, stylish self-defense discreetly at your fingertips. Our black belt with hidden knife is your own secret weapon to defend yourself if you are ever in a situation where you need to do so. The non-reflective partially serrated blade is full tang and razor sharp. It fits securely to the buckle, but can be quickly deployed at a moment's notice. The adjustable, sturdy black canvas belt is 53.5 in overall length, so that it will fit most adults. With the black belt concealed self-defense knife, you will not need to be a martial arts expert in order to protect yourself. This high-quality black nylon belt adjusts up to 50 inches and features a half-serrated edged knife discreetly hidden in the buckle. A self-defense product is only effective when it can be accessed quickly and easily in your time of need. The hidden blade is tucked securely into the buckle, but can be rapidly deployed at a moment's notice. You will love the confidence and peace of mind of wearing the black belt hidden self-defense knife. The 3.5-inch stainless steel blade can be carried discreetly and accessed quickly, so you'll never find yourself unprepared, or, as the saying goes, with your pants down. Number 3. Saber Personal Alarm. A handheld personal security alarm is like a security system for your body. Like keeping an alarm on your house to warn against would-be intruders, you can keep this personal body alarm on hand when you need urgent help. Each personal safety alarm has specific benefits and features. Whether it's the key ring you always have when you're on the go or the mobile device alarm specifically made for those with assisted walking, our personal alarms help you reach out for help right when you need it most. Loud noises help startle your attacker and turn bystanders into witnesses. This deafening personal alarm is 120 dB and audible up to 600 feet, 185 meters away. The sleek, attractive personal alarm resembles a memory stick, meaning it's just as discreet as it is loud. Offering instant access, the key ring attachment connects the personal alarm to your backpack, keys, or purse. Simply pull the metal chain from the device to sound the reusable alarm. Push the pin back in to stop the sound. The child-friendly alarm is a self-defense option for any age. Number 4. S&W Pepper Spray. The Smith & Wesson S&W 1403 Pepper Shield Keychain Pepper Spray is one of the most effective methods of personal protection, and with one short blast, it can incapacitate one or more attackers for 30 minutes. Simply point the unit at an attacker and depress the actuator button to cause severe irritation to the eyes, throat, and skin. The active ingredient oleoresin capsicum is derived from hot peppers and affects the eyes, nose, and entire respiratory system to restrict attackers from further aggression. This method of self-defense is recommended and used by law enforcement and offers a fast-acting way to immobilize attackers. This unit has a 10-foot range, varies with wind conditions, and includes 0.5 ounces of pepper spray, a black plastic case, and a keychain quick release for access to your pepper shield at a moment's notice. A case is a safe place for your pepper shield where it won't misfire accidentally. Keep this unit in its case on your keychain or in a purse for practical protection wherever you go. Smith & Wesson prides itself in designing and manufacturing innovative solutions that are unparalleled in the field of personal safety and protection. Most major law enforcement and military agencies in the world use Smith & Wesson products. Number 5. INVI Bracelet. From flashing and voyeurism to sexual assault and rape, acts of sexual violence are still being reported in alarmingly high numbers. While it can happen to anyone, women represent the majority of victims. In this context, the EU-funded INVI project will develop a bracelet that can help protect potential victims. The INVI Bracelet is a non-violent self-defense wearable device. In case of emergency, the wearer can activate the safeguard of the bracelet. The capsule then breaks and releases an unpleasant and repellent smell which confuses, distracts, and discourages the potential attacker. Moreover, the device can also alarm people in the vicinity, since it is perceptible across over 100 meters. INVI Bracelet's gas-like odor is released immediately upon activation, can be noticed within seconds, and provokes a strong reaction. The scent works as a repellent and can lead to a flight reaction. It can disrupt the situation, giving the potential victim valuable time to run away or ask for help. Furthermore, the smell can be detected over 100 meters away, helping to alert others in your surroundings. Number 6. Slingshot. The Slingshot is a unique product known as a survival tool, weapon, or toy used as a slingshot, fishing rod, or bow. While it may seem to be a balloon attached to a cut-up Gatorade bottle cap, it is a small but powerful weapon capable of whipping several various shaped and sized items at speeds of up to 350 feet per second. The Slingshot's unique circular shape enables you to load, aim, and fire many projectiles at a pace of 2 to 3 times that of a standard slingshot. Small enough to stow in a bug-out bag or slip in a pocket, this compact slingshot doesn't compromise when it comes to performance. The ultra-effective pocket shot can double the rate of fire and double the projectile's velocity compared to a conventionally framed slingshot. It can fire anything that fits inside it. The pocket shot can be used as a slingshot. However, it is suggested that you use 1/4 inch to 5/16 inch steel slugs, marbles, or small paintballs while using it as a slingshot to avoid damaging the pouch. Alternatively, you may use it as a bow by connecting the whisker biscuit and inserting an arrow into it. Best of all, you can use it as a fishing rod by launching your hook into the water and reeling it back in by wrapping your line around the outside of the rim on both sides. Accurate, you'd probably use it as a fishing pole in a survival scenario, but it's still a helpful tool. Number 7. Palm. Palm pepper spray is what you had in mind when you started your search for personal self-defense options. This compact dispenser costs less than $15 and takes up about as much space as a tube of chapstick. Inside is a strong mix of irritants designed to stop an attacker in their tracks. The durable housing protects the pepper spray inside, and a flip-top safety mechanism keeps the trigger secure until you need to use it. A finger guard helps you get a firm grip and keep your hand out of the way of the nozzle. A built-in clip is provided to attach this to your belt or purse strap for quick access. This option provides enough pepper spray to reach 10 feet for 10 seconds. A range of colors is available to help you keep track of multiple dispensers. Even though range and capacity are limited, this is a great tool to have as part of your EDC. Number 8. Maker Knife. It's compact, lightweight, and features a simple sliding blade mechanism that you can easily operate with one hand. The utility knife blade is an extremely useful tool, especially in the hand of a maker. Its uses are almost endless, yet few people use it. The Maker Knife is a tool made to be carried every day, everywhere you go. It is compact, lightweight, super quick, and easy to open. No more looking for a blade. No more interruptions while you're working on a project. The Maker Knife is always there, ready to swiftly help you work more efficiently. The locking mechanism is extremely easy to use. There are no buttons to push. No weird finger movements to do. You can just flick it open with your thumb or a finger. The blade holder automatically locks securely into place when it reaches the top and by witchcraft unlocks when you pull it back down. It really does feel like magic. Number 9. Ridge Runner Key Folding Knife. This key folding knife fits right on your keychain and looks just like a real key. Hidden inside is a two-blade constructed of 420 stainless steel. The black anodized aluminum handle gives you a secure grip and also makes this knife look like a real key. This knife's compact design makes it the perfect everyday carry for small jobs. The folding blade stays closed for safety and is easily opened when needed. The key-shaped folding knife attaches easily to any keychain for portability and quick access. It's a wise saying, the best knife is the one that you have with you. Always be prepared with a new key knife. This is the first lockback of its kind. Use it to clean your fingers, cut a rope, open a box, trim a thread. This new key knife just might save the day. Number 10. Pepperball Blast. The Pepper Ball Blast is an ideal short-range solution for law enforcement and corrections. With a 3x powder payload per shot, the blast is effective for up to a 15 feet distance and is refillable. Each reloadable blast cartridge contains up to 3 projectiles worth of PAVA powder. When the quick flip safety is turned and depressed, the PAVA powder is pushed out of the tube by a 1.8 gram N2O cartridge and will quickly cover the inmate and saturate the cell. Since there are no actual pepper balls deployed upon firing, this is a truly non-lethal product with no impact. Carried in a holster on your vest or hip, the Pepper Ball Blast is also a reliable close-range response to an attack or other use of force. Its one-handed use allows the officer the advantage of keeping one hand free to deflect attacks, all while deploying a blast of INVI powder with the other. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and let me know what you thought in the comments. I'll see you at the next one.